Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Amana furnace in 2026. Now, in order to reset it, first of all, you just have to open the front panel of your furnace very carefully. But before that, you just have to make sure that you switch off the power supply to the furnace. After opening it, it is going to look something like this. So when the furnace is opened in front of you, you just have to look for the reset button. So the reset button can look something like this. So when you are able to find it, you just have to press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds and then simply release it. If you are not able to find the reset button over here, simply leave the power off for about 2 to 3 minutes and then you just have to turn it back on. This particular step also acts as a full system reset. Now after doing so, simply turn the power back on and set your thermostat to heat. Listen for the system starting and check if the warm air begins to flow. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.